Royalk is perfectly integrated with blockchain technology, combined with human thinking and logic, and integrated a set of accurate and error-free quantitative strategy codes. Set up on the server, use the method of calling Huobi, Binance and other mainstream exchange APIs, and conduct currency speculation for users 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. He does not predict the rise and fall of the future market, but only responds to the rise and fall in the future. Using the data interface method, it can be completed in milliseconds between transactions and can more effectively capture the moments of market rise and fall. The Royal Digital Quantitative Robot also opens up user-defined percentages of replenishment declines and callback percentages, ensuring that users can flexibly adjust the percentage of declines based on the new highs and lows each year, so as to maximize the use of reserve funds and set declines. When the callback effectively controls a sharp drop in one line, the drawbacks of continuous replenishment ensure that even under the sharp drop, the position can be increased at the lowest price. The price of digital currency is not controlled by any unit or individual. It is all determined by the user's supply and demand relationship. The Royal Digital Quantitative Robot uses technology to execute automatic trading transactions in milliseconds in the rise and fall rules of its own digital currency, which completely liberates manual labor. The robot speculates the currency without making any predictions about the future market. If it falls, according to the logic of the increase, when the robot moves sideways, the robot will not move and I will not move. At any time, the digital currency is nothing more than 3 markets, and the price is sideways fall. When it rises, anyone who speculates in coins will make a profit if they buy in. When trading sideways, anyone buying will be guaranteed capital under the premise of ignoring transaction fees. Therefore, the robot will not explain too much about the rise and sideways. Any user who speculates coins expects to increase after buying, and is worried about falling after buying. However, robot speculation in coins, except for profit when it rises, and protects its capital when it goes sideways. In addition, it can also arbitrage when it falls. Using Royal Digital Quantitative Robots to speculate coins in the rise and fall rules of its own digital currency, execute automatic buying and selling transactions at the millisecond level, which completely liberates the labor and truly realizes the value of arbitrage and compound interest financial management with digital quantitative robots, and opens up new opportunities for profit. Royal Digital Quant welcomes you to share the wealth feast.